Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to discuss exercise 2.7. Here we have question number 4. The sum of two number is 11 and sum of their square is 65. Find the number. So here we have to find out the number. So the solution, let first number is x and second number is y. So according to the given condition which we are given in the question, so we can write a sum is of two number which is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 11 and square of their sum of their square which is given in question. So x square plus y square is equal to 65. Here we have two equation. Now we will take equation 1. So if we take x plus y is equal to 11, here is equation number 1. So here if we subtract y both side, we get x is equal to 11 minus y, which is equation number 3. So we will put this values of x in equation number 2. So y minus 11 which is the values of x plus y square is equal to 65. Now we will apply the square on x 11 minus y. So if we apply the square, we get 121 because 11 square is 121 plus y square minus 2 into AB. So we get 22y plus y square is equal to 65. And now y square plus y square is equal to 2y square. So we will put y square into y square is 2y square minus 22y plus 121 is minus 65, because if we subtract 65 both sides, or just simply shift the 65 into the left side, so we get 2y square minus 22y plus 60 plus 122 minus 65 is 56 is equal to 0, because plus 121 minus 65 is 56 plus 56. Now here taking 2 is a common, so if we take 2 is a common from the given quadratic equation, taking 2 is a common, so if we take 2 is a common, we get 2 into y square minus 11y plus 28, because 28 and 28 is 56 is equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 2 into 2 cancel, so we get y square minus 11y plus 28 is equal to 0. It's a simple quadratic equations in y, so we will solve for y. So y square minus 7y minus 4y plus 28 is equal to 0. Now from first two term, if we take y is a common, so we get y minus 7. And from second two terms, if we take minus 4 is a common, we get y minus 4. So y minus 7 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here by using zero factor property, we can write y minus 7 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 7, because if we add 7 both sides, so we get y is equal to 7, and y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4, because if we add 4 both sides, so we get y is equal to 4. Now taking equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 11. Now first we have to put y is equal to 7. So if we put y is equal to 7, we get values of x. So x plus 7 is equal to 11. So here we have x is equal to 4, because if we subtract 7 both sides, so we get x is equal to 4. Again, x plus y is equal to 11. Now if we put y is equal to 4, putting values of y is equal to 4, so x plus 4 is equal to 11. So we get x is equal to 7 if we subtract both sides 4. So hence we can write the required numbers which we are given, which we are asked in question. So the required numbers are 4 and 7, and it's all about today lecture.